Jam berapa kamu pergi ke pasar besok?
What time will you go to the market tomorrow?
Hari apa kamu menjemput paman minggu depan?
What day will you pick up uncle tomorrow? Tomorrow.
Dengan siapa kamu makan di restoran besok?
Whom will you eat and in the restaurant tomorrow with?
Jam berapa ibu masak besok?
What time will mother cook tomorrow?
Naik apa kamu pergi ke kota besok?
What time will you go to the hotel tomorrow?
Apa yang kamu bawa besok?
What will you bring tomorrow?
Kemana mereka pergi besok?
What
Kemana mereka pergi besok?
Where will they go tomorrow?
Hari apa yang datang bulan depan?
What?
Hari apa yang datang bulan depan?
What day sorry. What day will father come tomorrow?
Bulan depan.
Next month.
Apa yang Raka kerjakan minggu depan?
What will Raka do tomorrow?
Minggu depan.
Oh, next week. Next week.
Naik apa mereka pergi ke Lombok besok?
What time will they?
Naik apa?
What? How will they go to the Lombok tomorrow?